Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can use the law of attraction to 10x your income. Now, I know what you might be thinking. The law of attraction is a load of woo-woo nonsense. How is that going to help me make more money? But the truth is, the law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you manifest the life and financial abundance you desire. First, let's define what the law of attraction is. Simply put, the law of attraction states that whatever you focus on, whether positive or negative, will manifest in your life. So if you focus on abundance and prosperity, that's what you'll attract. But if you focus on lack and scarcity, that's what you'll attract alternatively. Now, I know that this might sound a bit far-fetched, but hear me out. The law of attraction is based on the fundamental idea that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. And science has proven that our thoughts do indeed have a powerful impact on our lives. For example, did you know that the majority of the thoughts we have on a daily basis are negative? Most of us are constantly bombarded with negative thoughts, whether it's worrying about not having enough money or feeling like we're not good enough. And these negative thoughts can have a huge impact on our lives. But here's the good news. We have the power to change our thoughts and beliefs. And when we do, we can begin to attract the abundance and prosperity we desire. So how do we do this? The first step is to become aware of our thoughts and beliefs. We need to pay attention to the negative ideas in our heads that are holding us back and actively work to replace them with positive ones. For example, if you constantly are telling yourself, "I'll never have enough money," try replacing that thought with, "I am financially abundant and thriving." It might feel a bit awkward at first, but with practice, you'll start to truly believe it and begin to see positive changes in your life. Another powerful tool to help you manifest more money is visualization. Visualization is the process of creating a mental image of what you want to manifest in your life. This can be anything from a specific amount of money to a new job or even to a new car. To practice visualization, find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Then imagine yourself achieving your financial goals. What does it feel like? What does it look like? Use all of your senses to make the visualization as real and vivid as possible. The more you practice visualization, the more it will become a natural part of your daily routine. And the more you visualize your financial goals, the more likely you are to manifest them in your life. One more tip for using the law of attraction to 10x your income is to take action. The law of attraction is not a magic solution that will make your dreams come true without any effort on your part. You have to be willing to put in the work, leave your comfort zone, and take steps towards your goal every day. This might mean applying for a new job, starting a side hustle, or investing in yourself and education. Whatever it is, make sure you're taking action and working towards your financial goals. The law of attraction doesn't work with a stagnant life. It needs movement to flourish and work its way into everything you do. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.